Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best and comparison between the parallels and the VMware Fusion Pro and what kind of thing you can actually expect from these two companies. So first thing first, with the Parallels desktop, what you can actually expect is superior performance on the Apple Silicon. So it boots Windows 11 faster and opens app with less delay. So better Mac OS integration. Also the setup is easy. You get Microsoft authorization, better gaming performance and frequent updates. But it's a subscription model. This is very important. Yes, you can try it for free, but it's actually like subscription model. What you can actually like expect, as you can see right here, the pricing. Also you got the perpetual license price increase. So this is like another thing. Also the gaming limitations, games that use anti-cheat software such as VMware, Easy Anti-Cheat and Denuvo won't work in Parallels. This is like very important, okay? So then for the Fusion Pro, what you can actually like expect from it is that it's completely for free. So are available no cost for all users. Advanced customization. So it got more fine-grained advanced features and ability to tweak some aspects of the VM. So VMware Fusion takes a slightly more manual approach, letting you select your image file and configure the VM settings. Good for multiple VMs and automatic Windows installation, and you get also enterprise integration. So that's good, but it doesn't really have official support. There is no monthly plan, so that's something to be aware of. Missing features on the Apple Silicon. Also persistent bugs and slower updates. Known issues. So this is another thing, uncertain future and slower performance. So these are the primary like the two differences is that yes, you can check it out if you want to have free, but Parallels like the big benefit is like the updates and also like they should like work on the product. So that's pretty much it between those two companies. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day.